Hello everyone, welcome back to Pixel Plus Studio. I am Jack and I have over 5 years of experience in graphic design. Today's topic is color psychology. Do you know that colors can change how people feel? Yes, color can create emotions. They can make people feel excited, calm, hungry, or even trust a brand. That is why designer must understand colors. So in this lesson, I'll explain color psychology in very simple way. Let's start. What is color psychology? Psychology means how colors affect human feeling and emotions. Different colors send different messages. For example, red feels strong and powerful, blue feels calm and trustworthy, green feels natural and peaceful. Why designers choose colors? They are not choosing randomly. They choose colors to send message. Let's start with the red color. Red is very strong color. It shows energy, passion, power, and urgency. This is why many sales posters use red colors. It grabs attention very fast. But be careful, too much red feels aggressive, so use it wisely. Next is blue. Blue gives a feeling of trust, calm, safety, and professionalism. That is why many banks and technology companies use blue. Blue makes people feel comfortable and safe. If you want your design to look clean and professional, blue is a great choice. Now let's talk about yellow. Yellow is the color of happiness, positivity, energy, and attention. Yellow is bright and cheerful. Designers often use yellow to make design feels friendly and warm. But again, too much yellow can feel overwhelming. So balance it with other colors. Next is green. Green represents nature, health, growth, and freshness. Many eco friendly brands use green. It makes people think about nature and balance. Green is also very relaxing for the eyes. Now let's talk about black. Black shows luxury, power, and elegance. Many luxury brands use black in their design. Black can make design look premium and modern. But if you use too much black, it can feel heavy. So mix with light colors. So last color for today is white. White represents simplicity, cleanliness, peace, and minimal design. White space is very important in design. It helps the design look clean and easy to read. Good designer always use white space properly. Simple tips for beginner. When choosing colors for your design, ask yourself, what feelings do I want people to have? If you want trust, use blue. If you want energy, use red. If you want nature, use green. If you want luxury, use black. Always choose colors with purpose. So, today we learned what color psychology is, how different color creates different emotions, and how designers use colors to send messages. If you are a beginner, start paying attention to colors around you. Look at logos, posters, and websites. Try to understand why those colors are used. That is how you become a better designer. Thank you for watching Pixel Plus Studio. If you want to learn graphic design step by step, please subscribe this channel and follow the social media links which is provided in this video description. And I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye. See you.